When I first started in the business advisory game over 20 years ago, I remember one day really clearly. I'd met with two completely different businesses. The first one was turning over about $600,000 to $700,000, and the business owner was generating on top of their salary over $100,000 profit after tax every year. A good little solid business model, generating good revenue at the time and good profitability. I thought that is such a sweet looking model. Then I met later in the day with a business owner who was doing 10 times that in revenue. Yeah, so they were about 6 to 7 million in revenue, and they were losing over $500,000 each and every year. And that was a big wake-up call for myself, because when I started working with the business owner who had the larger revenue, I thought this is really exciting. They've got a larger revenue, larger team, larger opportunity to grow and expand and develop what they're already offering. But when I saw the numbers and I spoke to the business owner who wasn't sleeping, stressed out of their mind, thought that the only answer to their profitability challenges was to continue to grow, right there and then, I knew that revenue can be killing your business. Okay? And bigger businesses from a revenue perspective aren't always better. So my question to you is revenue killing your business? Is your desire to grow and take on more work, more team players, actually doing you a disservice? Because what we recognize now, particularly in the trade and construction industry, those businesses that are the most profitable provide greater sense of freedom for the business owner. Not necessarily are larger in revenue, but they have their margin and their profitability as their core focus. What I recognize is your revenue could be hiding the fact that your business is not performing. And in fact, those larger revenue businesses can sometimes be only one bad month away from having to shut the doors. Now, if you're after some more information to ensure that you are profitable consistently, generating the outcome that you're looking for you personally as well, let's get in touch. Let's have a look at what the numbers are actually saying, give you some proven structured strategy to take you from that hands-on, hardcore, revenue-driven business to one that generates profitability consistently for you and brings you along as an industry leader.